In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create projection on Tradingview, quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place a projection on your chart, adjust it, customize it, and manage it so it fits your trading workflow. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the asset and time frame you want to analyze. On the left-hand side toolbar, look for the section called Forecasting and Measurement Tools. This is where Tradingview keeps tools that help you visualize future price scenarios and measure different parts of the chart. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the list. From that list, select the tool called Projection. This is the one we'll be using to map out possible future moves based on your current price action or pattern. Now, bring your cursor over to the chart and click at any point where you want your projection to begin. This could be the end of a trend, a recent swing high or low, or any key point you want to build a scenario from. That first click sets your starting reference. Next, click again to set your first point of the projection. This creates the first leg of the pattern. Then, click a second point to extend the projection further, and finally, click your last point to complete the pattern. Think of these 3 clicks as drawing a path you want price to potentially follow. Once you finish that last click, you'll see the full projection pattern appear on your chart. This projection can help you visually map out potential future movements, compare different scenarios, and plan entries, exits, or stop levels. It doesn't predict the market, but it gives you a clear structure for your ideas so you're not just guessing. If you don't like where it's placed, you can move or adjust the pattern at any time. Just hover over the projection, click and drag the whole shape to a new area, or drag individual anchor points to refine the angles and levels. You can also customize how it looks. Open the tools options and you'll see choices like templates, background, color 1, background color 2, and line tool width. Use templates to quickly apply saved styles. Adjust the background colors to make the projection stand out or blend in, depending on your chart theme. Change the line width so it's easier to see without cluttering your view. You'll also see settings, a lock option, remove, and a 3 dots or more menu. Use settings to fine-tune visual and behavior options. Lock the projection when you're happy with it so you don't accidentally move it. If you no longer need it, click remove to delete it. The 3 dots usually give you extra options like hiding, duplicating, or saving styles. Overall, projection tools on Tradingview are great for planning, backtesting ideas visually, and keeping your chart organized around clear scenarios instead of impulsive decisions.